Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Becky Durant with Dream Team Realty Group, your trusted real estate advisors right here in the Triangle. Go ahead and hit like, subscribe, and tap that bell so you don't miss any of our weekly market breakdowns and local insights. And today, this one is a big one. I'm sharing our top predictions for the 2026 real estate market, including what we see coming for buyers, sellers, pricing trends, and new construction. So if you're thinking of making a move in 2026, or even just curious about where the market is headed, you're in the right place. So before we can look ahead, we have to acknowledge where we're coming from. 2025 was a year of normalization in real estate around here. We finally saw more predictable interest rates, inventory slowly, steadily rising, fewer emotional buying decisions, a healthier balance between buyers and sellers, and builders catching up with demand across Wake, Johnston, and Harnett counties. Now, was it totally calm? No. We still saw competitive offers in Cary, Apex, Holly Springs, and certain parts of Raleigh, but it wasn't the frenzy of 2021 to 2022, and it wasn't the hesitation and uncertainty we saw in parts of 2023 and 2024. Because of that, 2026 is shaping up to be a strategic market, not a chaotic one. And in a strategic market, the people who plan ahead, buyers and sellers, do very, very well. Okay, let's talk about buyers first, because we really believe that 2026 may be one of the best years we've had for thoughtful, intentional home purchases. So here's a few predictions. Number one, there's gonna be more inventory than recent years. We're gonna see solid options for buyers again, both resale and new construction. A lot of homeowners who stayed put because of higher rates are finally ready to move. That alone opens doors for first-time homebuyers and move-up buyers. Prediction number two, buyers will have stronger negotiation power. Now, don't get me wrong, options doesn't mean lowball everything. It means you might be able to ask for repairs, negotiate some seller credits, request rate buydowns or closing help, and compare homes without rushing. However, brace yourself, folks. In micro markets like Cary, Apex, and inside certain Raleigh school zones, competition will still be hot, and you need to be ready to take action quickly and aggressively. Prediction number three, search areas continue to expand. With more remote and hybrid work, commutes remain flexible. That's driving attention toward places like Willow Spring, Anger, Zebulon, Benson. That 4042 corridor is still a favorite. This gives buyers and their pockets more leverage on expanding outside of the immediate RTP area. Prediction number four, monthly payment is going to be greater than the purchase price. I know we've talked about this before, but this is really a mindset shift. Buyers will care less about the sticker price and more about the monthly affordability, because taxes, insurance, and rates all impact comfort level and your monthly budget. Now let's talk about sellers. So for our sellers, let's go ahead and get this out of the way. 2026 is absolutely still a fantastic year to sell, but sloppy listings will get punished. Prediction number one, homes that show well will sell fast. That means clean, decluttered, staged, neutral, and well-maintained. Buyers have options, and right now, they're picking the homes that look and feel cared for without the hassle of doing a lot of work after move-in. Prediction number two, overpricing will backfire faster. We started seeing how overpricing can really impact your bottom line this year, and next year, it'll get even worse. Buyers are smarter. They're using payment calculators. They're comparing homes. If you price too high, you won't get chased. You'll get skipped altogether. Prediction number three, turnkey homes earn premium pricing. So some of those light updates are still the highest ROI. Fresh paint, updated light fixtures, power washing and landscaping, new carpet if needed. Small improvements can easily add thousands in perceived and actual value. Prediction number four, seller strategy matters more than ever. Dumping a listing on the MLS without marketing is gone. We're in a launch market now. Pre-list buzz, social media campaigns, tours, open houses, all of it matters. This is where partnering with the right agent and company really comes into play. Not all listing agents are created equal, so you have to choose one that understands the current market and what's needed to get your home sold. Okay, let's switch gears a little bit and talk about appreciation. Will prices fall in 2026? Short answer, not likely here in the Triangle. Demand is still strong, and we continue to see growth in both population and jobs. So let's talk about the Wake County outlook. We expect steady, healthy growth in Wake County. Not outrageous, but meaningful. Cary, Apex, Holly Springs, North Raleigh, these continue to be long-term value plays for buyers purchasing homes in the area. Shifting gears to Johnston County, Johnston and Harnett counties is really where we see the most potential coming into the new year. Clayton, Cleveland School Road, that 4042 corridor, and Smithfield are expanding rapidly. Builders are all in and infrastructure is finally catching up. Now, it's also important to note that these micro markets matter more than ever as well. You can't look at national or even city-wide averages anymore to truly understand what's happening on the ground here. One street may have a community pool and newer builds and see 7% growth, while a nearby area without amenities stays flat. Hyper-local matters more than ever, so understanding the market your home or future home is in will be critical when buying or selling in 2026. Okay, moving on to new construction predictions. New construction is where we expect major energy in 2026 for these 4 reasons. 1. Builder incentives stay strong. Rate buydowns, design credits, closing help. Buyers want absorption, and they will continue to work with buyers to get deals done. If new construction is on your radar, this coming year may present a unique opportunity to get into the market and take advantage of those incentives. 2. The $350,000 to $500,000 range is set to explode. You can expect a ton of inventory here, especially in Fuquay, Clayton, Smithfield, Knightdale, Garner, parts of Wake Forest. While some people are still shaking their heads that this price point is now the first-time homebuyer market reality, others understand that this is where we are and are ready to get into a home. Don't pass up the opportunities that new construction may have over resale in this range. New homes mean new everything and a longer gap before having to start sinking money into the home itself. 3. Faster build times return. With supply chains stabilizing a bit, many builders are back to that 4 to 6 month delivery, which was pretty unheard of just a few years ago. A lot of builders have also turned to delivering spec homes, meaning they're already or nearly complete before they even get listed or marketed for sale. This gives buyers the option of a brand new home without the wait time. And number 4, on the flip side, semi-custom and local builders gain demand. People are craving personality and uniqueness again, not just that copy and paste neighborhood feel. So you can expect more interest and delivery in those semi-custom homes and local builder communities. So here's the takeaway. Buyers, you have more power, more options, and more breathing room. Shop smart, not rushed. Sellers, preparation, pricing, and presentation matter now more than ever. New construction buyers, you may be able to lock incredible incentives before that spring demand hits. And if you're relocating, plan early. The Triangle is still growing and timing does matter. So if you're thinking about buying, selling, building, or relocating in 2026, let's get a strategy in place now so that you're ready to move when the timing is right for you. Dream Team's contact information is always below. You can call, text, DM, email, whatever's easiest for you. We're here to help you navigate this market with confidence. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more Triangle market insights, and drop your questions in the comments. We will answer them, I promise. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and we'll see you next week.